Former Union Minister of State Dr. R.K. Ranjan has urged Union Minister of Education Dharmendra Pradhan to include courses on Manipuri language, literature, script and classical dance and cultural heritage of Manipur under the Indian Heritage and Culture-based courses under UGC guidelines. In a letter written to the Union Education Minister, Ranjan expressed deep concern that Manipuri language and cultural heritage have been left out in the framework of the recent UGC guidelines on the introduction of courses based on Indian heritage and culture like universal human values, Vedic mathematics, yoga and Ayurveda. He went on to highlight the constitutional recognition of Manipuri Meitei language with the inclusion in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, while emphasizing that the Manipuri classical dance form Rasa Leela is recognized as a major classical dance of India, besides reflecting the listing elements of Manipuri heritage, including Nat Sankirtan under UNESCO's intangible cultural list. It went on to say that Manipuri language is under consideration for granting as one of the classical languages of India. It also added that Manipurese has an indigenous script called Meitei Mayik with archival manuscripts dating back more than 2 million years.